Hello, dear colleague. Welcome to the Trousers Making course. From this course, you will learn how to take accurate body measurements for drafting trouser patterns, draft a basic trouser block for a standard figure, recognize typical fit issues caused by individual body features, correct those fit issues, and incorporate figure variations directly in the draft. You can see the basic trouser draft we will create. Front leg, also called the front or front section. Back leg, also called the back. Terminology we will use frequently: front leg or front, back leg or back, side seams, inseams, crotch seam, also called the crotch line or center seam. On the front leg, this line is also historically called the bant line. Darts. A word of caution: no single trouser drafting system can cover every anatomical nuance. Drafting manuals often give guidelines such as, for a prominent abdomen, add 0.5 to 2 inches between point X and point Y, or for full hips, add 1 to 5 centimeters between point A and point B. But how do you decide whether to add 2 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters, or 4.8 centimeters in a specific case? To make this clear, we will study the visible fit defects that appear on trousers and the methods used to correct them. With concrete examples, you will see how a pattern must change for a figure with, say, rounded buttocks versus one with a flat seat, how to fit trousers on a body with a protruding tummy, or how to eliminate bagginess on a wearer with very slim legs. Remember, there is no universal standard figure. Each apparel brand chooses its own house block based on the body measurements of its core market, and then calls that block standard. You have surely noticed that Zara styles suit slender youths, while Tommy Hilfiger cuts fit mature bodies with less than perfect proportions. Therefore, do not chase a mythical perfect formula for a basic trouser block. Instead, train yourself to read fit wrinkles and drag lines, diagnosing what changes the standard pattern needs so the garment becomes comfortable and fits your body flawlessly. Over time, with practice, your eye will automatically detect non-standard figure features, and you will be able to address them right at the drafting stage. Now let's embark on this exciting journey together. See you in the next video.